Hello, welcome back to Cards by Kate Fletcher. So I was just in the process of unboxing my new coloured pencils to put in the pencil case that I got for Christmas, and I actually thought I would do it as an unboxing because I discovered a few things while I was doing it. So I've already taken the cellophane off of these ones, still on this one, but these are actually really nice boxes, despite the scary images on the front that I'm not loving. They come really well packaged. There was tape on here that I've had to split, but look, when I open it up, in the lid is the name of all the pencils that come in the pack, and they've got this like cellophane over the top. Now, this might be something that quality pencils do, and I've just never had quality pencils before. I don't know, but I thought it was really interesting and I thought I'd show you. So the cellophane is over the top. The colours have got really cool names. So for instance, in here we have tulip, we have space, we have opal green, I mean venom. I mean, I love a gimmick. And I love cool names on my colours, hence I love my distress inks, and I just thought that was really fun. So that is box one, that is the Cobra pencils. Then we have the Black Widow ones, and again, banana, lemonade, toxic green, forget me not. I mean, aren't they just brilliant names? Toadstool, egg yolk. Who comes up with these? I think that's absolutely fabulous. I've got one that's jumped out slightly there, so I'm going to have to be careful how I take these out. But look, these ones are black with red writing. These ones were black with gold writing. Let's have a look in the Scorpion box. So we have like a burnt orange, charcoal green, dark chocolate, pig's ear, galaxy blue. I love the names. I think they're brilliant. And let's have a look at these pencils. So these are black with white writing on. So what I'm actually intending to do is put these in, maybe not like rainbow order, but I want like all my yellows together, all my blues together, so on and so forth in the pencil case, so I can see what's what. So let's do this one together, if I can get into it. Just slit it along the bottom here. Okay, I actually really like this tin. I might not throw these tins away after all. I might just like repurpose them. Okay, there we go. That's the skin tone set. It's got it says, congratulations on your purchase of the Black Widow skin pencil sets, comprising of 2 sets with 12 pencils each. Okay, so I just have the 1 set. So I might have to buy the other set just to complete my set. And then these are again gold with black with gold writing, and look at the colours there. I think that's quite a comprehensive colour blend though, if I'm honest. And there's 12 there, so I'll probably put those all together, and then those. So that's really all I wanted to show you. I just thought that was quite interesting. So I hope you've enjoyed that really short little video. I'll be back soon with some more videos, and when I've had a chance to play and use them a bit, I will let you know what I think. I don't think they're like really expensive per box, because if they were I wouldn't have asked for them either. So they're a nice mid-range product, I think. So let me know if you've enjoyed this video. What do you think of the names? Are you a sucker for gimmicks like me? Do you like having cool names on your pencils and your inks like I do? It really draws me in, I have to say, when things have got good names. Maybe that's just me. But that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching today. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.